guys. How you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time of stopping by, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. You guys are the riches. So I'm on my way out now. You guys remember when I told you guys that I have eye pain? My eye has been paining me. So I ordered glasses, some Blu-ray glasses. So I just received a mail right now that my glasses are available for pickup. So I'll be heading to the office to pick up my glasses. Then from there, I'm going to go to the lab, medical lab. I went to do test some days back. I did malaria test. So I'll be going to the lab to take my results. So I think that's that. Hi guys. So I've collected my glasses already. You guys can see. I don't really like the frame, but people are telling me that it looks good. Me, I don't know. So maybe as time goes by, I will learn to like it. So I've collected my glasses. We branched to get food because, man, I'm so hungry. So that's that. I just decided to give you guys a quick update. Hi guys, how you doing? So guys, it's been 4 days since I last spoke to you guys, so that's why I just decided to come here today and just say hi to you guys. As you can see, I've made my hair. I made my hair yesterday. I went to make my hair yesterday. I'm not really feeling the hair. I'm not feeling it. If you think it's beautiful, let me know in the comment section, but I'm not feeling it at all. But maybe I will, as they go by, I will start to like it. Okay. Hey guys, good morning. It's been several days since I last spoke to you guys. I know, but I will try and be talking to you guys often, okay? So this morning, I and my husband, we are going out. We want to go and shop for, we want to stock up for Christmas. Well, not stock up like stock up. We just want to buy fruit things for Christmas. I know I have some, but I just want to buy more so that I can have enough in my house. So that's where we're going to this morning. So I just decided to come talk to you guys and say hi to you guys since it's been a long time. All right, so maybe I will try. I'm going to try to vlog while we're on it, okay? All right, guys. Now the wings with this. I do
Hey, my guy, good morning. What's up now? Yeah, what up?
Hey, sisters and my customers. I'm in family for you. That's all. That eye is not. If you know, say that eye. What is that? What is that?
All of them are. Yes, hi guys, I don't know if you can see my face. I don't know. I just got back from the market. I was about filming when NEPA took the light, so I decided to come to the dining area to film. I just got back and I got my protein. I told you guys I was going to stock up for Christmas, and I went to get chicken and beef. So I'm with chicken first. I think this is one batch of chicken, so I want to put them in a Ziploc bag and put in the freezer. I don't want to wash them yet because I want them to retain their coolness while I put them in the freezer, because there's no light now. I don't want them to go bad. So anytime I want to use them, I'll bring them out and wash before cooking. So that's that. I don't think I have to bore you guys with me putting them in the Ziploc bag, because I think you've seen how I store my protein already. In my previous video I showed you guys something like that, but maybe I will just show you guys a little clip of me doing it. Okay, so I'm done prepping. So here is everything I've prepped so far. I have 3 bags of beef, then my wings. Let me remove this from this one. Yeah. So these are my proteins from now to next year. Yes, I said so, from now to next year, because I still have a little in the freezer. So I hope this lasts me from now to next year. Okay, all right, let me do something else. Guys, remember I told you guys some time ago in my previous video that I want to start a poultry farm, and I showed you guys when I started. So this is another batch. Those batch I've sold them already. So these are how this batch they are looking now, ready for sale this Christmas. This video is not doing justice, so I decided to come and show you guys how they are doing. And this is the end of the video. Please do where to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, till next time, bye.